Good afternoon, this is Afternoon Sport. The Crusaders have won the Jaguars 32 points until 15 in their Super Rugby class. Kieran Reid have scored the winning try for the Crusaders, while Aaron Smith, the scrum half, have kicked 3 conversions and 3 penalties over. Let's see now the results of the other games of today's Super Rugby clashes. The Crusaders have won the Jaguars by 32 points to 15, while the Melbourne Rebels have struggled against the Hurricanes of New Zealand after the Hurricanes thrashed them by 38 points to 13. The upcoming Super Rugby fixtures for tomorrow, the 16th of April, would be at 9:35 the Blues up against the Sharks. At 11:45 you can watch the Waratahs up against the Brumbies. At 5:05 you can watch the Bulls up against the Reds, and at 7:15 the Lions takes on the Stormers. To Barclays Premiership now, and Liverpool is looking to extend their win after last weekend's win, and it's going to be a terrific, outstanding win for Liverpool as they will be playing on Anfield. Let's look some of the top 5 fixtures for this weekend's Barclays Premier League. Manchester United would be taking on Aston Villa at their home ground, at Manchester United's home ground. Chelsea would take on Man City. On Sunday, Liverpool takes on Bournemouth at 2:30, while Arsenal takes on Crystal Palace at 5. The other match would takes on Monday evening. It's Stoke City up against Tottenham Hotspur, and that match would be live at 9. For more information about our sporting and highlights and live scores, visit our Facebook page by www.facebook.com/BBE Sport. Thanks for watching Afternoon Sport right here with me, Brian Scholes. That's all what we have time for. Till then, goodbye.